One thing I was reminded of today at our church service was certainty, and how we all look for certainty in life. We want predictable consistency, just knowing how to get to where we want to go. There's that old statement or theory that says, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And what I've learned is, in my life, in my experience, the plan is there is no plan. The more I try and have certainty, the more I try and predict or create a path to where I want to go, the more paralyzed I am. The less actions I take and the results don't follow. I've built so many 90-day business plans, 1-year business plans, laid out the process of how I'm going to get to where I want to go, and I can tell you I've followed none of them. Yet I always arrived at my goal. And so what I've learned lately is, when I have a clear intention of what it is I want to create, coupled with flexibility, the result shows up. What I mean by that is, I think about what I want. I obsess about it. I supercharge it with feelings. I put myself there as if I have acquired it, whether it's completing an Ironman, an ultra marathon, buying another home, buying a beach house, buying a motorcycle, whatever it may be. I found when I just focus on what it is I want to attain or acquire or create or accomplish, and I have flexibility on how I'm going to get there, the outcome shows up. And I think that's just living in the uncertainty, right? And I would venture to say, when you live in uncertainty, certainty comes from that. Meaning, when you dance with life and just go for it and believe that whatever it is you want to create is on its way, the universe pitches you up softballs and delivers it to you. I would challenge you to look back at your life and everything you've created, whether it's a relationship, a goal, an outcome. Yet I bet you'll see a consistent pattern that everything unfolded perfectly, but not to a plan that was created. But yet it's a manifestation of a consistent desire, of an obsession, of focus. And then what happens is what we call magic, or some might call luck or coincidence, and it just happens over and over and over again. So, if you're looking to buy a house, I see a lot of people that get paralyzed on getting ready to get ready, or trying to figure out a plan. Yet, all you gotta do is focus on the outcome. What's it gonna feel like to be in that home? Start thinking about that home, put yourself there, and carry that feeling, and it'll supercharge it. And then all of a sudden, things will start to happen in order for you to get closer to that outcome you're looking for. Same thing with selling a home. A lot of people are paralyzed because they have so much stuff to do, or they don't know where to start, or don't want to be homeless because they want to buy another home, sell their home, and not be homeless. Yet when you just set the intention and have the flexibility to be able to get to what you want, it'll show up. So maybe the plan is there is no plan. Maybe all you gotta do is just think about what you want to create and obsess about it. Now we can shortcut that if you want. Let's say you want a new home, you want to buy a home, sell a home, move, whatever it may be. Reach out to me. Send me a private message. Let's just have a conversation. And when we meet, something awesome will happen. And you'll get that much closer to bridging the gap from where you are to where you want to be. You can send me a private message, or you can call me at 425-345-4920. I look forward to connecting with you. Have a great day.